Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a perfectly great thing. So what we are going to be doing today is showing you how to join the games. You see, I have a join game here, but what you can do is I'll put the script in the description. So, first, what you have to do is find someone in a game. So I'm gonna pick, say, Epic Mini Games. So I used to play this a lot, but I don't really play it anymore. But, so first you gotta try to join the game. I'll say joining server. As you see, I am a very lucky girl. Let's just pick a name. Off. Okay, so we're going to be picking a name. So let's pick Lord Apollo. Let's follow Lord Apollo. Hoping he doesn't send me a friend request. But Lord Apollo 11. So just go here and type in Lord Apollo 11. Players. And then, as you see, Lord Apollo 11 does exist. You're wasting your time. Oh my gosh, he does. Friends 51. If you're planning on trying to friendly, please don't, because there's a follow option. I'm lucky I did friend him. Okay. Click inspect. Right there. Now, all you have to do is click edit as HTML. Get rid of all of this. Delete it and do. And as you see, there is now a join game thing. You can just click join game and you're in. Bye!